a little bit more of a hurry this morning. Got the customer appreciation party tonight at dealership. I'm gonna get up there, upload this next video, upload some motorcycle photos that I took. Actually, you wanna see some of those? Throw them on right here. I'm pretty happy with these. One is basically the 60-year-old version of the other one. But it's gonna be a busy day, so I probably won't touch base with you guys again until this evening when the party actually starts. But yeah, I'll see you then.
I had no idea what my job was gonna be tonight. And before I was even assigned a job, I just started running around with the camera while they were setting up for the party, and I threw together this quick little like 15-second promo video. A come join us, look what we're setting up for kind of thing. It turned out really good. Here, I'll throw it in real quick. As you can see, we're gearing up for our Wildcat Harley Davidson 2018 Christmas party. Tonight from 5 to 9. Come on out and join us for good music, good food, and good times with good folks. We'll see you when you get here. They liked it, and so that's become my job for the evening. I'm gonna periodically make little promo videos to just keep throwing up while we're doing this, and not only will it be a log for them for later, but it will also, hopefully, if there's people online right now that are seeing this that aren't here, that are close, hopefully they'll come and show up for the party. You wanna go see what my life looks like right now? As you can see, it's starting to get a little louder as we head in this direction. And the food line has died down, that's nice. It's still quite packed through here, everybody's just hanging out eating. The big old line still for the dice roll. Band's playing. Everyone seems to be having a good time. When I made the promo video earlier, I ran through asking pretty much every single person that had a phone out if they would share it. And it's got, I don't know, like 25 shares or something like that. Intense. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Also popping back here periodically to make more little promo videos that can be put out while we're here. The one I'm working on right now, they're doing a dice roll. It's 6 big fuzzy dice, and if they all land on the letters that spell out Harley, you win a free motorcycle. All right, I'm gonna knock this out and get back out there.
We're out here at the 2018 VIP Christmas party at Wildcat Harley Davidson, and we are doing a dice roll. You roll 6 dice, and if the dice spell Harley, you win a 2018 lowrider.
So I've just given everyone direction. We're gonna have a quick interview with my parents up front, and then as soon as they split the camera, everybody back here is gonna start screaming, hooting, hollering, yelling thank you. This is kind of the end of our video, the thank you to all the customers that came out and for their year of customership and the years to come.
I want to thank everybody so much for the customer appreciation event tonight. It was a huge success. Everybody was really happy and a great party. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting Wildcat Harley Davidson.
Thank you. We really appreciate all of our customers. You mean the world to us.
Thanks again.
It's over. That was fun. I'm really glad it's over. Let's see, what did I learn today? I learned that I can pump out promo videos in no time. That's pretty cool. They weren't the highest quality, but they got the job done. They accomplished the task. So that's good to know that I can pull that off. It's amazing what you realize you can do when there's not time to not do it. When it's either you do it or it doesn't get done. I don't know. I don't have an insight. Maybe something will come to me on the way home, but right now I don't. This is where I'm gonna close it out. If this is your first time here, my name's Jasper Fox, and this is JasperFoxArt. This entire brand and soon-to-be business are dedicated to the conscious evolution of our species, intentionally raising our vibrations so that we can all live a more abundantly joyful life. I love you, family. Let's consciously evolve together. Here we go. We're doing it. We're doing it!